Hello guys, welcome to day 21 of 30 days Excel challenge. Today as part of our challenge, we are going to discuss another feature which is part of ChatGPT for Excel. Suppose we have a function called as AI.translate. Let us see, I have this text. Suppose I wanted to drop a quick note to express my gratitude for the opportunity to chat today. And our conversation only amplified my excitement about the role, and I am ingenuinely looking forward to the possibility of joining the team. Suppose I have this text, I just wanted to convert this into Spanish. Suppose how can I do that? I just select the cell and I type my formula here, AI.translate. As you know, see, just select this cell. Uh, it is showing you the structure of the formula here. Just select the cell in which the prompt is there. That see, as you can see, this in the place of value, give the prompt or select the cell in which the prompt is there. Just click the comma button and select the language. Here, our language is Spanish. So select the cell in which you type your language there. So just close the braces. Now let us wait for ChatGPT, let us wait for Excel to process the information. I think it is pretty busy now. Let us on this and let us see. Yeah, now you can see everything got translated into Spanish. Now let us check this in Telugu and let us try how good it processes the information. As you can see, it exactly translated it. I wanted to drop a quick note to express my gratitude for the opportunity to chat today. సి నాకు చాట్ చేసినందుకు ఈరోజు అవకాశం ఇచ్చినందుకు నా కృతజ్ఞతలు వ్యక్తం చేయడానికి త్వరగా ఒక చిన్న గమనాన్ని తీసుకున్నాను. సో దిస్ ఈస్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ట్రాన్స్లేషన్ విచ్ డస్ నాట్ లుక్ ఫెయిర్. You can take this idea and you can develop your own kind of translations. But my idea here is in future automatically they can develop the model as per your requirement. But till then what you can do is just click this cell, go to data, and select this option called as data validation. So here go to option called as list. Here you type as many languages as you need, like Hindi, Telugu, Spanish, Russian, Italian. So whatever the language you know, Tamil. So click OK here. As you can see, it generates all the list of all languages that you want. If you press Tamil here, this entire text will get converted into Tamil language. As you can see, this is how you can easily translate your text here. Now another important feature is, suppose I just wanted to have a table here, like I just wanted to create a list of 10 biggest countries in the world by poverty. Like as far as the metrics concerned, we consider the poverty as the benchmark, and we just want the list of top 10 countries which are more below the poverty line. Suppose that is the question. Now you can do one thing. There is a formula for that, that is AI dot table. So if you go here and if you give this prompt, automatically it will generate a list of the countries where you uh, as per the criteria you want. As you can see, India 21.9%, Nigeria 40.1%, Bangladesh 24.6%. I am so sad to see my country here. I hope this situation gets improved. And at the same time, generate a list of 10 cricketers. Suppose in this criteria, in the previous example, we did not give any criteria, like we did not mention any column names. But here we do mention the column names. So suppose in this instance, let us write the formula here, AI dot table. Now I am giving the prompt. This is the prompt. So comma. It is asking for the headers, right? So these are the headers. Just close the braces. Automatically it generates a table. See, this fits, right? This is the first name, this is the last name, this is the age, this is the sex, and when it comes to the country, this is the country. So how beautiful this is. Like this you can generate. If you place 100 instead of 10, it will create list of 100 cricketers here, but it may take some time, but it is possible. If you click OK, automatically it creates a list of 100 cricketers here, but it may take some time. You try this on your own. As you can see, it has generated only few cricketers. Just try it one more time. Just go here, type the same formula, try to generate another list of 10 to 20 cricketers. Like that you can do that. So okay, thank you very much guys. Have a great day.